Hello and welcome to the tubrepaircompany.com. Here you're going to find some of our tub repair DIY kits. You'll also find a lot of information and videos on how to do your own repair. And then you'll also find out a little bit of information about becoming a professional if you had a desire to do this as a living. We offer those courses and we can help you get started in that. First, I want to talk to you about each kit. Make sure you make the right selection, and hopefully you'll get the right kit and repair your tub well. The first one's a level 1 repair kit. These are minor cosmetic repairs. These are not weight-bearing repairs. Generally, these are going to have more of a sturdy foundation behind them, but maybe that's a crack or maybe it's a hole, but it doesn't have a lot of give to it. If it is a hole, it needs to be about the size of a quarter, maybe a little bit larger or smaller than that. That'll be for the level 1 kit. It does not offer the same amount of durability as our level 2 kit. Our level 2 kits are going to be for larger cosmetic repairs. These are still not weight-bearing repairs, and these are going to have a product in them that is much tougher. So if you're bridging a gap, the size of a fist, or we work on holes that are 6 inches big, and we got to fill that entire hole. So we offer the products that we use as tub repair professionals to get that done. The next would be a level 3 kit. These are the weight-bearing repairs. Generally, these are going to be cracks in the floor, something where you step on it, it's got some give, it's cracked. What this is going to include is this is going to have some expanding foam in it that you're going to want to pump down through the tub, and it's going to add that support that you need on a floor crack repair. Otherwise, the repair just won't hold. All of our kits do include our color matching system, the same system that we use. It's very good. Matches anywhere from dark almond all the way up to a gloss white. So anywhere in between there, you should be able to use our kit and match it. These are the same products that we use on site when we repair tubs for customers. The next one is going to be become a professional. And this is where we will teach you everything you need to know about starting a tub repair business. We found a recipe that works in our market, works very well, and we do believe that it'll work in other markets, big or smaller, around the country. And it's a very, very good, profitable work, and you don't need a lot of equipment. You don't need a big truck or anything like that. I run around in my little Hyundai Elantra, throw my tools in the back, and I just kind of scoot around from job to job. Works very well, provides a good living, and we want to be able to pass that on to you. So thanks for visiting today. Feel free to give us a call if you do have any questions. We'd be happy to help you out in any way we can. Thanks.